Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Propak China in 2021.
My name is Eric.
I'm Lily and I'm from the marketing department of Highdream. Highdream is a leading manufacturing of multi-wear, checkware, metal detector and lost in weight feeder extra. So let's show you what we are having in this exhibition. First, I will introduce you our new arrival model. This is the fourth generation plus Atlantic wear. So let's see, the machine is a little bit different because it is just sit directly on the packaging machine, and we can see it used a spring-free hopper design, and that could make the door open more quickly and accurately, and also can reduce the noise level. And we can see the discharge is independent type, and the shoot angle is precisely designed and verified. That's the key point for achieving the best running speed at 150 packets per minute. So let's see the base on the base of the machine. It is used the four-side base, and that could improve the stability of the machine. For the software operation system, we are used the fourth generation upgrade system. Modular design, easy maintenance, and 3D interface, and easy to operate. So for this, the material of the machine used reached the IP66 waterproof level, and it can have more downtime of the daily cleaning. For all of our generation model, we have the HD camera, USB data, and USB data transfer and PC connection function. All of our machine can pair with all over the world, the packaging machine all over the world. So here is my colleague Eric. He will introduce the packaging machine to you.
Thank you, Lily, for the introduction. Hello, everyone. Good morning. My name is Eric, the sales representative from Highdream Machinery. I'm so glad to introduce you the packaging machine we demonstrate here. So first of all, I will introduce you this machine. It is a continuous motion, high-speed vertical form film shim packaging machine. The maximum packaging speed this machine can run 200 packs per minute. It is suitable for all kinds of food industry, like the dry food, snack food, candy, biscuit, and so on. It is suitable for the film width from 130 mm to 300 to 510 mm. For now, I will take you have a closer look to this machine step by step. Please follow me. The first part we can see of this machine is the film loader. This is the film loader. It is the air spindle type film loader. The operator put the film go through this spindle and put the air inside, and then the pressure on this spindle will expand so that the film will be firmly fixed on this spindle. Here it is a gear model to control the film unwinding. It can always make sure the film during the unwinding process with a suitable tension. The film will not pull loose or too tight. Here it is a film connection device. During the operation, when the film already run out, need to replace a new one, the operator only need to use a knife to cut this off, and then use a tape to stick them together, so that the film changeover process finish. It is very easy. And on this part, it is a lower denser bar. This device is the same. It is always to use this part to keep the film with a suitable tension. Here's an eye sensor to detect the eye mark on the film, so that the machine will cut the back correctly. And in this position, normally we will integrate a tape printer in this position, such as like the ribbon code tape printer for the customer to print the batch number date code on the package. And this is the new device. It is the metal detector installed between the multi-hardware and the packaging machine. It is to detect during the production if the food contains with the metal or not. If the machine detects the food contains with metal, so this alarm will keep flashing and the machine will stop. And back to the front of this machine, we can see here. And here's the forming tube and the forming shoulder and forming tube. It is the one-piece design, very convenient for the operator to do the changeover without any tube easily. This is the vacuum type pulling belt. It was controlled by the servo motor, so it can realize the precise movement when the machine pulls the film down. And for the vertical shim of this machine, it is the steel type. The main benefit of this design is it can always keep this part the temperature at a very stable level. So in this case, the bag will seal firmly. For the horizontal shield of this machine, it was controlled by the servo motor as well. So it can cut the bag correctly in the right position. This part, the blue color, it is a device we add here for the clapping device to prevent the product crack into the bag seal area. So the bag can cut correctly and without any product get stuck on the sealing area. And for all the door of this machine, we will integrate a safety switch here. With this safety switch, during the production, if the operator he open the door, and this safety switch will be activated, and then we will send a signal to the machine. So the machine pneumatic supply and also the motor will be cut off and will not work. In this case, it can provide the safety of the operator. And finally, in this position, we can see it is a 10 inches flow-phase HMI. It is very easy to operate and understand. All the operation and the parameter setting can be conducted with this HMI easily. For this packaging machine, the critical component such as like the PLC and the servo motor, we are using the famous brand from Japan and USA. So it can provide a very reliability. To summarize, this is a high-speed type vertical packaging machine, not only suitable for the small pack, also suitable for the big pack. So my introduction to this packaging machine finished. Thank you.
This machine is very cost effective. Let me show you the characteristic of each system. It is named V-Series multi-head wear. It's mainly for current pickle market and it is created by Highdream. Has fixed the problem of discharge difficulty, sticking on the buckets and easy to be overweight. So let's see. We can see we are using the rotary and this is the rotary and this is the free hover mode to feed the materials. The disc at the center can adjust the rotational speed and rotational direction. And this function reduces the error of weighing and reduce the depth of discharging so that it can improve the accuracy and speed of the weighing. So let's see the scraper. The weighing hopper is controlled by the air cylinder. The V-shape scraper and V-shape hopper design can scrap the materials above the hopper very completely so as to reduce the error of weighing. And this machine can pack 20 grams of pickles at the speed of 85 packets per minute. So my colleague Eric will introduce the downside packaging machine to you guys. Thank you.
Hello, good morning. It's me again. I'm Eric. For now, I will introduce you another packaging machine. It is the rotary and vacuum packaging machine. This machine it is suitable for all kinds of food, like the dry food, snack food, candy, and so on. It's suitable for all kinds of pre-made pouch. The maximum bag width can do 130 millimeters. The whole machine, including two parts. The first is the rotary turntable, and the second is the vacuum turntable. So I will introduce you in detail one by one. The first station is the pouch machine. This pouch machine can put maximum 200 to 300 bags. This mechanical arm will transfer the bag from here to the first station. And in the second station, normally in this position, we can integrate the tape printer here. And after the bag was printing, the bag will transfer to the first station. This station is for the bag opening. The vacuum cup will open the bag. And then to the next is the fourth station for the filling. Okay. The upstream equipment is the multi-hardware. And we can also integrate different filling machines as per the customer detail request. For example, for the aqua filler, for the car filler, something like that. When the bag delivered to the fourth station, the multi-hardware will discharge product and then drop into the bag. For the 5 and 6 stations, it is optional. In some case, in the 5 station, the customer will integrate a liquid filler because their package contain with the sauce so that they can integrate the liquid filler. And in the second station is this is a air blowing device. If the package contains like the sauce, with this device, it can blow air and then clean the bag mouth and keep it very clean. And to the last is the transfer station. The turntable will deliver the bag to the vacuum chamber. When the bag delivered into the vacuum chamber, after 3 to 4 times, the package will become vacuum stator completely, and after that, the vacuum chamber will do the sealing. Lastly, with the cooling device, the sealing will be cooling down. So finally, the bag was sealed completely. After finish all, and the vacuum chamber, the door will open, and the product will be discharged onto the conveyor. Okay, so that's the whole process for the rotary and vacuum packaging machine. Thank you.
Now let me introduce you another machine to you. After we check the new series, let me show you another model. The 16 has multi-wear with the memory hopper. This machine is multi-purpose, which can get the speed of 150 packages per minute. It meets the requirement of high-performance packaging system in this industry. when paired with premium packaging machine on the market. Next, two kinds of the materials can be mixed in one machine without changing any hardware and design of it, but setting the blending mode in the system. It can accomplish the mixing weighing of two different kinds of the materials weight. More importantly, the mixing compensation function is a cool feature of this machine. When the first weight of materials have the difference from the target data, mainframe computer will calculate the error immediately and replenish in the second materials, so that the final result of the weight will always reach the target result. These functions are the key points of achieving high speed and high precision of weighing. For now, my colleague Eric will introduce the metal detector and the packaging machine to you.
Okay, thank you, Lily. Okay, so next, I will introduce you the packaging machine, the metal detector and checkware. The machine behind me, it is the high-speed continuous motion vertical form film shim packaging machine. Servo motor control, it can run very fast and stable, meanwhile giving very nice back chill. This machine is suitable for all kinds of food, like the snack food, candy, biscuit, and dry food. The maximum film width, it can do 320 millimeters. Whole machine using 3 and 5 millimeter thickness, 304 stainless steel. It is the surface of this machine is sandblasted. It is hygienic and durable. Though this machine is very compact, but the total weight of this machine can reach 500 kilograms. So it can offer a very stable support, even this machine running at 130 pairs per minute. So next I will introduce the details step by step. Please follow me. The first part of the machine is the film loader. It is a very practical and simple structure. As long as we loosen this conical disc and then put the film go through the spindle and then tighten it up, so the film loading process finished. Here's a gear model to control the film unwinding, to make sure the film during the whole process should keep the film with a suitable tension, will not too loose or too tight. And the next, this is the moving tensor bar, can move up and down to control the film with proper tension. Inside the machine, we install the eye sensor here. It can track the eye mark on the packaging film, so that the machine can cut the back with the request back length correctly. We can also integrate the day printer in this position as well, if the customer want to print the day code batch number on the package. Okay, so we will go to the front to see the machine. Please follow me. The film will be delivered here and then go into the forming shoulder and the forming tube, then form a bag. The forming shoulder and forming tube is one piece design. It is very convenient for changeover if the customer have different side of package. The pulling belt, it was controlled by servo motor, so it can realize the precise movement. So the pulling belt can pull down the film correctly. The horizontal sealing jaw was controlled by servo motor as well. It can respond very fast and cut the back correctly. The vertical sealing and the horizontal sealing are with independent temperature control. So it can realize always keep the machine at a very stable temperature performance so that the package will be sealed firmly. We integrate a 7 inches HMI here for all the parameter setting, and the daily maintenance and troubleshooting can be conducted with this HMI easily. All the critical components of this machine, like the PLC and the servo motor, we are using the reliable brand from Japan and America, so it can provide a very reliable performance for this high-speed packaging machine. To summarize, this is a compact and high-speed packaging machine suitable for the small package. So next, I will introduce the metal detector. Please follow me. This is a bell-type metal detector, widely used in all kinds of food industry. It can ensure the food safety to detect if the package contains with metal or not. For this metal detector, we are using the 7 inches HMI. Very easy to operate. When the package was detected with metal, and this T pusher, it can move in this direction, so that the package with metal will be rejected. And lastly is the check wire to check the back if the package with the accurate weight or not. The machine with was 10.4 inches HMI. Okay, it is also very easy to operate for all parameter setting and maintenance. So finally, if the accuracy, the weight is not good enough, if overweight, no matter overweight or underweight, this T pusher, pneumatic control T pusher, it will go in this direction and then reject the bad package. That's the whole process for the packaging machine, metal detector, and check wire. Okay, so for now, let's run the machine and see how good it works. 东哥, please follow me. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact our sales representative. Grateful Highdream. Wait for life. We'll see you again. Bye bye.